Everyone, I'm here to basically review one of the water system. It's called the reverse auto system by this brand called Frizzlife, and the model on this one is called PD1200. This is called the tankless reverse autonomous water system, and it's put it under the sink, and the model on that is 1200G. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically open the box, what is inside the box here. And I also, what it is I look it up that it helps you reduce called TDS, which is great for drinking water. Basically, if you have a low TDS, TDS, what it means is called total dissolved solids. And then I have a chart grade that I put it on my iPad that is showing that good for drinking water. I also bought this unit. It's called from Homefront, so I can test as well after I install this unit. And this is called the TDS measurement that you can do. Want to make sure you test the water quality. And what it is I'm gonna basically, when I install, I will test that later. But I want to recommend that you can get one of this unit as well. You can buy from Amazon for $50, and you can test the water quality. And this is called the water, purified water that I bought it from Footmax. And you can test this to see what is the quality. It probably, when I test, I'm going to show you real quick on that. When I test on that, it will probably, after I unbox it first, and I will show you the quality, what you get from this, the quality versus the regular sink water. And so they prefer that if you have low TDS, mean if you got 50 to 150 ppm when you test on this one, that's capable for drinking, and it's generally clean and good tasting water. And if it's moderate, it's between 150 to 300 ppm, and it's acceptable for drinking too. And because I have a unit from Ionic, I get about under 200, so it's moderate for drinking as well. But if it's high ppm, that means if you were to use this the sink water, it might get up to about 300 to 500, and it may not be safe to drink. So I want to make sure that's very important when you drink. If you maybe boil the water in a pot, it might be okay. But if you were to do food or cook anything like that, so it should be fine. But if you were to drink, I'm not recommended if you have over 300 ppm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what's inside this box right now. And this unit you can get from Amazon about $600. And because I seen some other water system that I was looking, never really see that it helped reduce the TDS. And the main thing, you want to make sure you got low TDS, and it's good for your health and your body. Especially you need to drink water every day. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a demo of what's inside this box right now. First, you can see there's a menu that came with this, right? And what else is this? Sticker. So I'm gonna open this up so you can see what's inside. Put this back a little bit. Then you got the instruction, owner manual, and you got the warranty card. 150% warranty. Wow, that's a good warranty support. And it also show support at frizzlife.com. If you have any question, you can email your order information, and you can get a support with them as well, right? And you can see this is the owner manual. It tell you the PD1200. That's the model of that. So I'm gonna sit down real quick and this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put like right here first, and another one. Yeah, this is showing that the installation diagram. So that's the manual. I will show how to install it. My next video I will show the installation of the installing. Right now I'm just showing unboxing what I have right now in this box. Right? I'm gonna put right here. And next okay. So here another quick installation guide, show you how to connect to under the sink. So all the information are through here. Just follow the step by step. Put it right here. Okay, now what else is this? Another installation. You can do a countertop filter system, or you can do under the sink. So I give you some option how you want to install your unit. You can either put it on top or under the sink. So that's the manual. And here Let me see what this one is. So this is a sticker that you can drill a hole if you have a countertop with a sink. Some you might have granite or you know, or what is it? Different type of material, you know, in your sink if you want to drill there, or you have quartz. What I have is I have quartz, so you can drill it. Make sure you have the correct drill for your kitchen material, either for quartz, granite, or whatever the material that you have to use to drill it. Make sure that get the right one when you make it. So this is a sticker. You place that on that one, and then you can make a hole on that. All right. So next, I'm gonna see what's inside here more. Okay. So here, this is our connector for your plumbing kit. And you see, so you have the basically all this hole. This is all this is what the water line that you can plug into, and it has this kind of like a wrench, small plastic wrench that you can connect to your unit. Okay, and also this is called the tape. So like a tape or the plumbing tape to ensure that it's not leak. Right, I'm not gonna throw through the rest of the material. It's gonna take too long. I'm gonna put it on the side and see what else on this. Right, this is another plumbing kit as well. This seems to be like a more likely metal on here or stainless steel. So this is all the connection that you can split for your sink. Okay, so here, this is where that you can connect it to the unit. Okay, and then this is where you basically the water that's basically coming through that, and then your TDS will show through here how many number that you're gonna have. It's gonna show it on the top, and this is where you turn off. And I mean, if you want to pure the water off and on, so you can switch to this one, right? So that's just for the radar. So I'm gonna put this away. This is the power supply unit. That's one for the box, and it just uses 120 volt, and that will plug into your Frizzlife system. And I'm gonna put this shield away. Okay, so I'm gonna take the unit out now. Let's see how big is the unit. See how heavy is it? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna lay down like this first before I bring it in, right? And I'm gonna slide it like that. Okay, so like this. Wow, looks very nice, very slick. So this is almost like a computer size. You can see, you know, I built a desktop computer, and this almost looks like the size that I have on my computer. So, I mean, you can either put it in a sink, make some space. If you don't have much space on your countertop, you can just put it under the sink. That would be fine. So I'm gonna open the plastic real quick, and you can see this is all the hose that came with that. And so I recommend that going through all the manual, do the installation, and just do step by step on here. So these are the pieces that came, and look like this part. You can make the adjustment when you install it. It's like a wrench. And all the kit has this black kit that you can basically, screw it to your unit. So that's all the stuff that came with this package, and we'll do the installation later on that. So now let me unbox this. Wow, that's pretty neat. This is 1,200 gallons. I'm gonna open it right now. Like this. I'm gonna lift this box, bring it down, so make some space. Okay, so now you can see, and look on this here, and so I'm gonna see how it look like. This is all the connection, and the connection say on this is called the faucet, and this is the power. So that's going through your faucet. The faucet is this, so that's gonna plug in through here, and this all connection. This connection here, this is where you plug into your power. That's the power for your connection. And make sure when you plug in, you make that you twist it so to lock it. That way it doesn't get loose. And now I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer. That way you can see what's connected on the top. So bring the camera a little bit there. So you can see, pull up a little bit closer so you can see this knob here. All right, so you can see this side is called filter. See this connection is the filter. Another one, this is with the water. So it's telling you exactly right here, water to drain. Okay, water to drain. And this one do not use. So they put right here. And this is, and another one right here, this part is the feed water. So this is the water that you feed, okay? Feed water, go through this, and do not use this one, okay? And water to drain, and this is filter. The filter that's gonna be, going to, let me see what it says, very small here, but I'm gonna look at it here. Okay. All right, filter to faucet. So filter to faucet for this one. Right, so and then this is the pieces that you can see the connector that already came to that. And I'm gonna let you look at the side. This is how the side look like. Mention how to basically to see what filter that it happened here. And if you want to see how many filter need to be replaced, just make sure that you open this cap to see the top cover. And then all you have to do is just twist it to the left side. Counterwise, so watch this, like that, and you pull it, and you do the rest the same, and you put it back, just push it like this, push back like that. So the bottom one, push this way, okay, push that way, and then you go back, counterwise, we'll close it. Same thing on the bottom, the counter is a small one, but it feels like a little bit tight, so make sure that you can also use your left arm and hold it tight, and then put it back like that. So that's where you replace if you need to replace the filter. And all you have to do is just put the cap back. All right? Okay, that's it. And that's about it for, showing the front of the filter. Yeah, looks pretty sleek. And this is the front. That's how the front look like. You can see it has a logo of the Frizzlife, right? And but right now I'm not gonna install anything on there yet. So it's also mentioned about the sticker, how to remove plug. So it will tell you step by step there too, that when you remove the plug, remove the blue dip, and it will tell you step by step how to tear it down. So I'm not gonna go through that yet, but it's just the pieces that I'm going through. What are the instructions I provide during the installation stuff. Then I will go through the more detail on that. But here's just basically demo what I have on here. And first what I'm gonna do is after that, let me put it on the side first. Remember I mentioned that I'm gonna do a water test real quick, so that way you can see what is the TDS, what load the TDS mean. So that's I'm gonna move this a little bit here. All right? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the camera this way, right? With the camera, I'm gonna bring another cup. We're gonna cup real quick. So I'm gonna pause real quick. Okay, you can see now that this is the water from the sink. Later on, when I install the unit, I will test between the sink water, also the bottled water, and then the TDS to see what I get for the rating. Right. So right now you can see I'm gonna put it. This is from the Foot Max water. I'm gonna put that a little bit. I'm gonna test. This is a unit called the TDS reader, the brand called Home Forest. So if you open the cap, it also has a battery there too. See, there's a battery that you can use. That you can make sure that it's not using a AA or AAA battery. It's a battery that uses the round battery. And also mentioned on the back, there's also a TDS reading will tell you if it's drinkable or not. So you can see 0 to 50 or 100 over on that. Okay, so now if I need to turn on, all I have to do is just open this cap and press the power, the on. Okay. So I'm gonna try the sink water first, see what the rating is. Right now it's set to 0. right? Okay, you can see it's red. You can see it's red. So the number on that right now is 338. So if you look at the score on the high TDS, it's 300. So the sink water cannot be drinkable. So period. You cannot drink that. Okay, next. This is from Costco water. So I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, let's see what I get. Okay. Reset. Let me reset back. Look like it didn't clear. I need to clear first. Oh. Sometimes like it doesn't clear right away. Give me a second. Okay, turn it on. Go again. Oh, it says 0. You see? You see? Wow. So this TDS is actually pretty good. I mean, you can see that it says 0 TDS. Wow. So if I put back on here, you see the number 300. Let me clear this off real quick. Maybe I didn't clear them, turn it off back. So the water from this drinking unit is pretty good as well. You can see. Okay. Yeah, look like a filter very great. 0. I mean, you know, it's drinkable 1 to 50. That should be fine, or that's the lowest. But yeah, look like the 0 TDS. Okay. So I'm gonna do another test. I'm gonna test on my my ion water system as well that you can compare. So I'm gonna bring another cup real quick. Actually, what I'm done, just see what I have. 204. You can see it's 204. I mean, right now, what I say on here, low is 50 to 150 is generally clean and good tasting water. Moderate, 150 to 300. So it's acceptable for drinking. So at least it's not over 300. I mean, not over 300. So I'll put this back from FootMax and then reset it. Let me clear it out. Make sure you press clear. Okay. So this water is still 0. Okay. I mean, it's still drinkable. I mean, it doesn't have to be all 0. It can be, you know, 10 or 20 or 50. It will be fine. But look like the water is filtered very good on that. But we will test on this unit as well to see after I do the install, and then we'll do the next video. All right. So it's basically that's about it. Just unboxing the unit from Frizzlife, the model for PD1200, and this is just an extra video that I show how to test your TDS. To see what did you get for your water system between the sink and also the water that I bought from the store, and also the ionic water system that I have as well. So I'm planning to basically still keep this water system is fine, but I'm basically trying to drink more water through the low TDS. That's why I'm getting another unit from Frizzlife, a reverse OS, to see can help lower the TDS. Alright, so watch out for my next video. I will do the installation part, and I will create that in a bit in the next, hopefully by next week. So now this is my basic review and unboxing the Frizzlife reverse Optimus system. Alright, thank you for watching.